Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log in to PHH Mortgage. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in PHH Mortgage. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as phhmortgage.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And now we are in the official website of PHH Mortgage. Now to log into PHH Mortgage, tap on this login button. And here you will see two login options. So based on your choice, whether you are trying to log in to your mortgage center or reverse mortgage, tap on it. Now to log in, you can tap on the sign in or you can also tap on this login button. And here you need to fill this login form to log into your account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. And type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. You can also check this box that says remember my username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. And also check this box that says I agree to the user terms and privacy policy. Now to log in, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged into your account if your credentials are correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to drop any of your questions or queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a good day.